What up, peeps? Happy New Year's. New Year's Day. That means this is the part where I lie to myself about how organized I really am. I'm already failing. My name's Rob. I'm a retired corrections officer, if anybody don't know already. And this is from Bars to Bucks. Kind of my mental health vlog. I've been overweight, as you can see, most of my life. I'm not a gym guy. I'm not an exercise guy. I never was. Maybe a little bit when I played football back in high school, but not for me. I suffer from really bad depression up and down all year long. And my motivation for just about everything goes like up and then goes plummets to the abyss. My brain overthinks almost everything, including hunting. My motivation comes and goes, and my brain overthinks everything like it's getting paid to do it. I don't get it, and I just can't grab a hold of it. But somehow, I love chasing whitetails, man. I do. I really do. I started hunting probably 93 or 94. Yeah, over 30 years of bow hunting. I deal with a lot of up and down depression, not the real dramatic kind, the quiet kind where you sit in the truck arguing with yourself about whether pants are necessary today or not. Stupid shit. My reset plan for the year is going to be super simple. It's actually going to be like, stop waiting around for motivation. Short outings, when it comes to hunting. I'm going to take a few hours, every few days and get out and hunt or scout, because my depression has absolutely extinguished, for some reason, my fire to be in the woods and go out hunting. It's still there. I really love doing it, and I really want to do it, but for some reason I can't get my big ass off the couch and go. I've been out 3 or 4 times this year. I think I went a total of, twice last year. Stick around. Keep checking me out, man. It helps a lot. It really does when I see people commenting and engaging and watching my videos. It really does help. You know what? People do want to hear my story. Stick around. My next video will see if I actually get out of the truck or just sit here negotiating like it's a hostage situation in the jail I used to work at. So, appreciate it. So, stick along, follow, subscribe, all that happy cool shit. Peace. Happy New Year's.